Hi students, I hope all are well. I am Maheshwari, lecturer in KGR College of PG courses and Organic Chemistry faculty. Organic Chemistry third semester having 4 papers. These are Organic Reaction Mechanism 1 and Pericyclic Reactions 1 and Organic Spectroscopy and Organic Synthesis and Chemistry of Natural Products. These are theory papers and practical papers are multi-step synthesis of organic compounds and estimations and chromatography. These are practical papers and theory paper and practical papers are internal marks 25 and external marks 75, total marks 100. These are titles of papers of third semester, and I would like to discussing about organic spectroscopy. Organic spectroscopy syllabus here, and organic spectroscopy having 4 units. First unit UV visible spectroscopy, and second unit infrared spectroscopy, and third unit nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, and fourth unit mass spectroscopy. These are 4 units, and first unit topics are Beer-Lambert's law, deviation from Beer's law, instrumentation mechanics of measurements, and energy transitions or electronic transitions, basic principle of UV visible spectroscopy, and chromophore and oxochrome. These are color enhancing and impact groups, and absorption shifts. These are bathochromic shifts, hypsochromic, hyperchromic and hypochromic shifts, and UV absorption of alkenes, polyenes, unsaturated cyclic systems, and UV absorption of carbonyl compounds and alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl systems, and UV absorption of aromatic systems. And next topic, solvent effect and geometrical isomerism and acid and base effects. Typical examples, and calculation of lambda maximum values using Woodward-Fisher rule and applications. And second unit infrared spectroscopy, mechanics of measurements and fundamental modes of vibrations, stretching and bending vibrations, and factors affecting vibrational frequency and hydrogen bonding. These 2 topics are important in infrared spectroscopy, and fingerprint region and its importance. Typical group frequency for CH bond, OH bond, NH bond, CC bond and CO bond, and aromatic systems. Applications in structural determination, examples and simple problems. These are infrared spectroscopy topics. And third unit nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. Introduction, basic principle of NMR, nuclear spin, nuclear resonance, saturation, relaxation and instrumentation. Next topic, shielding and de-shielding of magnetic nuclei, and chemical shift and its measurement, and factors influencing chemical shift. These are important. And spin-spin interactions, factors influencing coupling constant indicates J, and factors affecting J values. And next topic, C13 NMR spectroscopy and or carbon NMR spectroscopy. Similar Treatise on differences between PMR and CMR. General consideration, chemical shifts, aliphatic, olefins, alkynes, aromatic and heteroaromatic and carbonyl compounds. Coupling constants and typical examples of CMR spectroscopy. Simple systems. And fourth unit, mass spectrometry. Introduction. Ion production. These are Ci and Ei, Es, MALDI and Fab. And next topic, determination of molecular weight and molecular formula and behavior of organic compounds in mass spectrometry and factors affecting fragments. And next topic, mass spectral fragmentation of organic compounds and common functional groups and molecular ion peak and metastable peak and McLafferty rearrangement, nitrogen rule and example of mass spectral fragmentation of organic compounds with respect to of their structure determination. And finally, reference books. These are reference books of above topics. This is organic spectroscopy syllabus. Thank you all.